Kadaisis jong Kadongstone hapok kajeng alam jong Bishop Kadongstone, umus Reverend Wilbert Marwin, haringkat kispa ngot kiriunget na keleng gijaka jong ke West Khasi Hills District, kila penlongai kajeng yat rally kum sibentaban Pak Kubor na kebentaban Wan Rak Biang ya kesongsok songsan hapok kajela Manipur. Kajela Manipur kalamat di kajengnya ki snam kabla sedang nadu kalai tarik ujemang arja arpulai ha kabar daki spak ngut kiriu pat ba kila syap penyap palat san hajar teli gilong yeng kila kala klem yeng klem sem kumba arspa san po teli yeng mane kila syap penjan ki jaka puli bat ki skol niamru kila syap thang dusman na kadau kate kajengja kabala pen kala pet wer ya ki lak ngut ki nong song snong jong kate kajela. Hakni kesngi nakal yang Bishop Kadongstone Diocese ulah kentu joryo menteri rang badu kari India bat kumju ruyo menteri rang ba kajela Manipur banwat kilat kilenti na kabentaban Wan Rak Biang ya kesongsok songsan hapo kajela Manipur.
I appeal the Chief Minister of Manipur to bring peace to the state and to all the government of Manipur to bring peace to Manipur. Government ko para baro habangi pai syakali kacingja kumbangi ni usnau hawat kacingya kaja kawan nakata kaba kinpenrum ya dimete harga skill tribe kata kawai kadau kabaal kalomba nakalyang jong sorka kapwa bahkan pek ya ke forest nane kita di Cingdon di Plau dan penlong ya ke Rilung. Henry haba pek ya kini kita di Cingdon kam. Lada kadang kita ke Cingya kaca hapden jong ki alteli ki jatun reu lane ki trak sapo jong Manipur ki meke bati koki. Balai ken ramandha ya ke Cingpan jot ya ki ying mane. Balai kilwandra bantenjot ya kihin pisan hato kadai kata kabita na gandau ban ya kaja sutanjot ya kihin mani hato kadai kata kihin school kacaka pule putri lada gadon kum kata kacing ya kaja jumpi balai kata kacing tuni balai kata kani gadon ke shalantet jong kacing temu jong pinore jong lo kebakwa kalten teran, kebakwa kalten jok, kebakwa kalra ya gacing ya kaca, bab ya gacing senam hafudeng di tribal. Kohen men ko para pengemong ke bahusia, namardan bor ki priu basniu salendet, keba wandra gacing ya kaca hafudeng jongi, kibade ki tribal, adem banten ya syok ya dak penum senam, banten ya iwai pat, bakin ki salendet. Engkai keba lawan ra ya gacing mu ban penjot ya kikun ya kiying mane Kristen kene da akta shibun ba ban penyap ya kibriu ya kiwai pat ban takti ban thang ban penjot baro ya ke kicing don jingem kene kabamla panlong ban penyap ban khai kli kibriu ban susiat kong ya kimra ya kibriu hato kalong sisa kata kabade kamla padlong ke kabade kane kalong ke kabasniu ke nama kata ngakepak bangi de ban yo ye gecing su bangi de ban penkut ya kata gacing ya umsnam de ban penkut kane gacing ya shun ban thau sa kuwe pat ke banta ban pen jak guram ban pensniu ya kane kanotis berkowe ke nama kata mangi kum kadaisis ni kerpak ya kesorkar pleng kuncu ya kesorkar jong kastet Manipur bakin pensane sisndon ya pun kane kacing ya penyap ha kapo state Manipur kacing ya kaja kacing unsnam bat kata kacing thang kulumar ya kiyeng kesen bat ya dijaka manegre yekerpat ba mangi baru kebadan hangne midwai na kebanta kata mangiwan on ban peti ya kata garali ban persyak ya ke kebamlong ande miwan hangne menta kum kadaisis mani kikna school baro keblawan bat kipat runget kipat Kristen baro jong dari gadong kidon hangne bat songdong kalong na kebenta kata ba mangi ngikwa ba kan sange ya kan sange ya kata ba unsna ngikirpan batang mandra no biang kecing suk bakin wat kalak kalanti ban shem ban wat yok biang ya ga jingsuk hapo step Manipur nagtagadaw ni kerpat ko blay ni dwai ho blay bagini ki priyo ki bapet ki bakmi ki badon hagabor ki de ban sange chisudon yakum kani ka jingjan ka ba snam ka ba mlak ban long amlak ban kudiam ha ka imlang kasala bagi dwai ho blay jong ka jingsuk blay jong ka jingisnai blay jong ka jingma Kaum isnai yakini ki pukun jongi ki himan ki para jongi ba ki yomat biang dia kecing sut apo ki isam jongi kamtan ko state Manipur te ko parlo parjo baro oblai shubune yaki bakilawan oblai shubun yaki ki padrunge baro ki bade na kiwai ki kendun barang ru ki badan likat
community security majority and power will bring up tensions, and when there is tension between groups, there will surely be clashes and bloodshed. Solution cannot be brokered by bloodshed. Violence cannot be stopped by violence, and guns cannot be rooted out by guns. Manipur is part of India, isn't it? Or is not part of the Northeast? If it is called one of the 8 sisters of the Northeast, then let the chief ministers of these 8 states work out a constitutional solution to end the situation in Manipur. We are one humanity, and if one region is suffering, the whole humanity is suffering. We urge the different communities and citizens of the state of Manipur to work out peacefully for a loving solution in your beloved state. To have peace in an enclosure-called state, there is a need to accept each and everyone's freedom to choose his or her way of worship, of cultural identity, and social affiliation. We urge the government's functionaries to seriously take up steps democratically to find amicable ways to settle this issue for the citizens of the state of Manipur. We request the Prime Minister and the Union Home Minister to address this situation that has surprisingly lasted for so many days. Let not there be lies and false accusations on anyone at all, but let us talk only the truth so that peace reign in the northeastern region and India, our beloved country. To all the citizens of the state of Manipur, we are praying for you that loving peace reigns in your heart. May God be with you all.
Manipur, kinong sansya, kinong pet, kinong mi, bakin snow through one rang ya kacing suk, kacing pa, kacing met, nagabanta ki kuon, ki sew. Nagabanta kari kachat namliu jong kastet Manipur. Ko blay tokta mame ka kikti basag kikti basbon jome. To sanshar mame to yalam lanti mame bangin yo bakin yono ya kita kacing suk ka basisha bakan kibriu kinyo pachong suk susan ala kachong